Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I got some exciting news today. So yesterday, I decided to just pull the trigger and order myself a Tesla Model 3. So in this video, I want to talk about the model that I chose, why I chose that specific model, and the upgrades that I picked for the car, and also the ordering process in general. The thing is, the ordering process or the delivery of the car has sped up dramatically since I was placing the order yesterday, when Tesla told me that the waiting time would be up to 3 to 4 weeks or something like that. But now it seems like the car is coming here next week. The estimated delivery time starts at February 21st, which is, I think, Monday or something next week. At that time, I'm not even gonna be here. But anyway, let's have a look at the spec and tech here of my Model 3. I was thinking of going maybe with the long range or the standard range plus. The reason for that is I want to make this car my own. This is going to be part of this channel right here. So I'm gonna document the owner experience of a Tesla. I've never bought a brand new car before either. So this is the first time I'm buying a 2021 brand new car. And the experience so far ordering this car has been the easiest car purchase I've ever done in my life. Everything is online, as I'm sure you know, and you just fill out your information, your address and your finances and all of that on the next page. This is something I'm gonna go over when all of this is settled, because right now I'm waiting for a trade-in value for my current car. So when all that is said and done, I'm gonna make a video on the financing for the Tesla Model 3 here. But I decided to go with the standard range plus because I really don't see a need for the long range. What I want to do is take this car to the track sometimes too. And the standard range plus is rear wheel drive only. It's not four-wheel drive compared to the long range, which has one motor in the front, one in the back. It also adds weight to the car. It has some cool acceleration, 4.2 seconds here, the long range, and that's mainly the reason why I was thinking about getting the long range. But for now, I'm just easing into the electric car experience, and I'm just gonna do the base model here, standard range plus. That does 0 to 60 in 5.3 seconds. Not that bad. It's pretty cool. For the color, I decided to go with the white. I love the white paint, and also it's the free included paint, so it all works out for me. I love pearl white ever since I saw it on the Murcielago Lamborghini back in the Lamborghini Museum in Italy when I visited there in 2010, I believe that was. Just a beauty. I think the Lambo color is called balloon white, and this reminded me so much of the balloon white. It's a similar pearl effect that they have on the Tesla. Don't want any other paint for this, and even if I choose any other paint, I'm probably going to end up wrapping this car in the future and make videos on that as well. For the wheels though, I don't like these wheels at all. They look, I know they're there for efficiency, and I know you can take them off and underneath you have a pretty decent looking wheel, but anyway, I decided to go with a 19-inch and splurge a little bit on the wheels. So these are the wheels that I picked for the car. For the interior, I just went with the black. I don't want white because it's probably, I have a feeling that it's probably going to get dirty in the end. And I also want to make this panel here, the wood trim, they have some really cool carbon fiber pieces that you put on top of that, and it looks fantastic. So that's also another upgrade that I want to do, or modification to this car that I want to do moving forward, and that would also of course be here right on the channel. So if you want to see all these modifications I'm gonna do to the Model 3, you have to subscribe to the channel, of course, to be notified when those happen. But other than that, this is the car that I chose. Just upgraded the wheels and kept everything very, very basic for the first experience with Tesla here. I'm not adding full self-driving capability for 10 grand. Doesn't seem like I need it. I actually prefer to drive myself. So everything seems fine here. And as you can see, the estimated delivery was 3 to 6 weeks, but it turned out to be less than a week when I put in my details and I got approved for this car. Then I refreshed my account this morning and said the car will come here next week. And as I said, I'm going to be out of town, so I have to schedule that in some other way. But of course, I'm going to make a video on the delivery of this Tesla Model 3 as well. I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to get this car here. And of course, the plan is to share this experience with you guys and make this into my own car. lower it a little bit, by maybe an inch and a half or something like that. New wheels. I'm not gonna keep these wheels even though I upgraded the wheels. In the meantime, I just want these wheels on. I really don't like the original wheels, even though these are going to go when I get new wheels and tires for the car. And also some aero stuff I want to add to that. I love the little carbon fiber rear spoiler, and also they have some cool diffusers for this car as well. A lot of plans, but one thing at a time here. So if you want to see this transformation happen here and follow along in this journey, feel free to subscribe. And if you're considering buying a Tesla yourself, use my referral link down in the description to get 1,000 free supercharger miles for your brand new Tesla. So that's it for today. Just a quick update on what's going on here and the plans with the channel. And I hope you come along on the ride. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.